Hello everyone, I'm Shandar Ahmed. I teach the subject of economics to CA aspirants uh, at the foundation and intermediate level. As far as my qualification is concerned, I've done my master's in economics and master's in business administration from University of Calcutta and from Manipal University respectively. I have been working uh, as a faculty since 2009. For CA specifically, I've started teaching from 2011 onwards. Before that, I was teaching for civil services. I was teaching international relations and anything related to the subject of economics. As far as my academic achievements are concerned, soon after graduating from Calcutta, I went to Delhi to prepare for civil services, and I have cleared mains examination twice. Uh, I'm currently associated with Yashas Academy and also An Academy. Uh, as an educator, one of the most important and relevant thing is to make students fall in love with the subject. Now, there are various different types of teachers, but the successful ones are those who make students understand and grasp the subject. So for me, understanding comes first. Once you understand, then learning is an automatic process. So, and I've got several testimonials that I'll be sharing with you right now. My teaching style is that I teach by examples because I teach the subject of economics and we are surrounded with decision making on a daily basis, whether it's a short run or long run decisions. So, all the examples that I give, whether it's related to understanding of a diagram or understanding a concept or understanding a theory, once students are able to relate the subject to their own life, it becomes very easy for them to understand everything. So I structure my classes in a way so that there is a it moves in a linear fashion. So I have to just connect the dots. So it becomes even more interesting for the students to figure out at how one topic is related to another. uh, my goals for every live class or recorded class is that students should you know understand the subject, know the subject. Learning is a process, but that process is incomplete if you are not getting a grip on the basic structure of things, basic idea behind every theory. And that's what I think that's where the job of a good faculty comes. Favorite and important topic, see, uh, every topic is important for me, but yes, if you ask me for at the foundation level, uh, I like the subject of I like the topic related to marginal utility, the concept of business cycle, and intermediate level related to public finance and national income. Those are my two subjects, two topics, sorry, rather. Uh, my journey with Unacademy started, you know, uh, this particular year only, but I have been teaching uh, from right from 2011 because I'm associated with Yashas Academy since 2011. And what I think is that this platform is going to cause a revolution in India, because a lot of students, they cannot take the burden of traveling to different city, and because it involves a lot of cost, your accommodation cost, your fooding cost. On top of that, you have to also transport if you're not transportation cost, because if you're not getting a cheaper accommodation next to your institute, then there is a problem. So we are reaching to the household basically, wherein students can remain in the comfort of their house and also get the same quality education as their urban counterpart. I've taught more than 15,000 students, and I try take pride in the success of my student, because what I believe is that a teacher is only as successful as their students are. And if the students love you, they fall in love with the subject. As simple as that.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.